Wix AI or manual design, which is actually better. Wix AI builds a site in minutes, choosing layout, colors, and images. You get speed, consistency, and mobile-ready pages instantly. Limitations: templates can feel generic and deep customization still needs manual work. Split screen. Left is AI starter design. Right shows the same page after edits. Quick stat. AI cuts setup time by up to 70%. Manual design offers full control, custom layouts, unique branding, and interactions. It requires time and skill, design decisions, responsive testing, and fine-tuning. Pros versus cons. AI for speed and consistency. Manual for originality and nuance. Best approach: prototype with Wix AI, then customize manually to match your brand. Quick tip: use AI to start and save hours, but reserve manual edits for personality. Try Wix AI, export your site, or hire a designer. Combine tools for the win.